Okay, so today we're gonna head north. Right now I have my Instant 360, the Ace Pro. I got it on low light. Right now you have the GoPro, you can't see this good as the Ace Pro right now. It's pretty much dark except for the horizon. Last time my trolling motor was giving out, I'm gonna give it one more shot. Hopefully it brings me back to shore. We got some good waves going on today on the north side compared to the south side. I don't know. Actually, today was supposed to be less windy than Tuesday or Wednesday. When did it come? Okay, there's a lot of action on the water, folks. Lots of bait. Lots of action, man. But like I told you, I want to get to my bar first and then start fishing from there. I always like to go to my spot and start there. I'm about maybe 200 yards. It's called Community Bar at Port Mansfield. It's a long bar, but usually I just get the southern tip because there's usually boats, and then it juts out almost towards the channel, right? So I usually just stay at about, I would say 400 yards from the shore, but it runs way out there. Right now, like for example, right now I'm at 5 feet. According to the fish finder, and there's chingos of fish. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, let me just go work that bar, the shallow bar, and then we'll take it from there. But there's lots of disturbance on the water. I think it's gonna be a good day. Okay, I went with my marker 54 because that's what I was having luck with last time.
Luck yet, brother?
No, I tried the whopper plopper, but the seaweed keeps getting in the propeller.
Yeah.
But there's a lot of bait action, man.
Yeah, over there too. There's a lot of bait action. I'm gonna head to the back for a little bit and then I'll come back.
Okay. Yeah, the bar's a little bit in front. You can see the color change a little bit, the water.
Oh, okay.
That window, I'll be out here in...
Okay, brother. Yeah, I'll probably head out for like an hour and then come back.
Okay. Yeah, let me put some... I've gotten 3 hits, but they haven't hooked. And I've seen lots of swirls working around my bobber, so... I'm gonna spray some of this. But I'm running out. Some of this shrimp thingamajig. See, that's the ticket. Maybe instead of off, they want shrimp flavor. Cause I've been seeing swirls around the bobber, so they're, and I already got 3 good pulls on the shrimp, but okay, I got the skunker. Skunker off my back. Skunker off my back. Should I drop anchor? Maybe we're close to a drop off. Did I get that? Yeah. I gotta change my settings. I think I still have it on night mode. Let me change it real fast. Stop recording. Okay, I just caught a speckled trout. I thought I had turned on the camera, but right when I checked it, it was not on. So there's my speckled trout in case I didn't catch it. The fight. Oh shit. Did you see that, folks? Now that was pull. That was a pull that scared bait all over the place. I think I found a good spot along this sandbar. Man, if I could catch 2 more trout quick, I could go join Marcus looking for redfish. Although I was hoping there was redfish here. Okay. I like the action, but too small. Okay, good. Did I get that one? Yeah. Yeah, I'm getting the dinkers. And the keeper, I didn't get it. Well, hopefully I did, man. Hopefully I did. Start recording. Oh, I got off again. And it was a good one too. Maybe it's because of the way the hook, but there it is. Came back. It came back. Came back. Came back. Sorry guys, I don't know what the hell. What the heck? Marker 54 catches this crap too, whatever it is. What is it? Should I keep? I don't even. I was gonna say, can I keep it for bait? But yeah, I'm gonna keep it. It says you ain't gonna keep shit. Did you see that, folks? Start recording. Doesn't feel a little better. Nah. Ah, sorry, fella. I know I need to do a better job. I need to do a better job. Another one, maybe 13. I'm gonna stick with the Mark 54 like I told you until they stop by. Nah, nice fish. Nice, beautiful fish, but it's not gonna... I don't think it's gonna make it. I don't want to hurt it. I don't want to hurt. It's hooked deep, but there. It's about 14. This might be the keeper, folks. This might be keeper number 3. Oh yeah, my next way to help. Not too long. There. Number 3, folks. Keeper number 3. Hopefully I got it. Yes, sir. Ba-ba-da-ba-ba. Sorry. I just get excited. That pelicans making weird noises over there. This guy also inhaled it. Okay, let's measure it just to make sure. 17, a beautiful 17. Okay, so my little limit of trout. Now then I'm gonna go work the shoreline, I guess. Okay, I put my... I'm gonna go with the Z-Man modified head. I'll let you know later. But I already caught my limit of trout. I was heading towards the shoreline, but I decided to stop and try this area. There was a lot of bait and stuff, so I know what the Z-Man can do, and that's the only one I have, so I'm gonna save it for Saturday. I'm gonna work this Z-Man, and I also want to try a spoon, and then I have an AM lure that I wanted to try too. So recording. Start recording. There you go, my Z-Man comes through, but it's a small speckler. Small speckler. Z-Man, I switched to the Z-Man to try to catch some reds here. My reel sounds like my trolley motor. Okay, Z-Man. Z-Man, another one. Back-to-back casts. Back-to-back casts, folks. Where are the reds? Marco just messaged me that he caught a big ass trout. There's some redfish from out here, another kayaker, 2 kayakers. So what I'm doing now is I wanted to show you what us kayakers deal with. And this is just about 5 miles per hour wind. Could you imagine if it was 15 going into these waves? I ran into Tony, Angler 48's friend. So I talked to him for a little bit, introduced myself, and this is about it, folks. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and again, if there's any new channels that want to shout out, just go ahead and send me a message or a comment, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.